Total of 3,000 quote the workshop, divided into clear functional distinctions, sufficient stock of various accessories and cells, support fast turnover. Packaging accessory storage area. The main products have customized packaging solutions. Outer box storage areas for household energy storage series and conventional product series. Newly purchased brand new and 8 cells, own stable and reliable supply chain and cooperative relationship of top brands, lithium cell manufacturers, to ensure the stable supply of high-quality lithium cells. Standby production lines. New production lines can be launched at any time according to customer needs to ensure rapid batch production and supply capabilities. Accessory material storage area. Enough stocks for daily order production. Daily output guarantee. Mature brand battery supply chain, meeting various needs and customized specifications. Test display of finished products of customized solutions with series and parallel functions. We are testing the max load for the design solution of parallel and series connect functions for inverter applications from customer demands. Support to customize special series and parallel function with big capacity and discharge current parameters for solar energy storage or motive truck, etc. Standard aging room series equipment ensure reliable quality assurance for finished product aging test equipment. Support maximum 500-300 test parameters for aging inspection. 8 sets of max 300V200 of standard aging equipment. Support to finish 100-500 modules aging inspection every day. According to the specifications and parameters required by customers, we will provide standard and high-quality product program customization and design and production services. Professional production line and technical production team provide professional standardization and high-quality production technology. Standardized super laser welding process. High-quality product stability guarantee. The standard implementation of the production process, cell testing, module matching, laser welding, engineer assembly, packaging, aging testing, etc. process. Daily produced capacity reaches 100-300 module packs, 6 standard product lines, and a professional technical operation team. The superpower laser welding machines ensure the stability and quality of design solutions.